My boat is the smallest Disneyland.
About a value, no deal or Christian. Y'all talking too much, need to shut up and listen. I sit in the silence with blissful admissions. Y'all giving too much, can't be sending positions. Y'all ain't about the love, y'all be talking on vicious. Y'all make a wish, rappers be putting in wishes. That y'all about to pot like the bubble on dishes. It's all about the positive thought and persistence. I'm back in this bitch on some cool shit. Wild West up on my theme.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my regularly scheduled posting of roughly once per month. Got a super cool tournament for you guys. We went up to Elk and Torch Lake for the first tournament of the College Bass Tour season this year. Pretty much a slugfest for about the top 12 teams. There's about 12 to 15 guys that made a long run. That was your top 12 to 15. Yeah. Caught almost 20 pounds of smallmouth, so it should be a good one for you guys. Absolutely crystal clear water. I think we had like 35-foot visibility. Could literally see smallmouth swimming on the bottom in 35 foot of water. But the fish were spawning, so we weren't really out there too much. We kind of sat in, 8 to 2 foot of water. With that being said, we were on the second wave of spawning fish, so there weren't really that many to go around. They had started like a week and a half before that, and then everything completely pulled off because there was a cold front that came through. So throughout the 2 or 3 days of practice that most of us got, new fish were coming up every single day, and there were new fish on beds during the tournament. So if anybody had found 5-pounders or 4+ pound class fish, everybody else knew about it. There wasn't one fish that I had that I didn't race somebody to. I actually got beat to my first 5-pounder of the day. In the first clip, you'll see somebody sitting right next to me. They just blatantly beat me there. They were faster than me. They had a better boat draw. But I had a 4-pounder right next to it, so I started on that one. And then just throughout the day, it was a grind. We had to really hunker down and try and find some fish because I only had probably 8 fish over 3 1/4 marked, and most of which were gone in the first 20 minutes. So we had to put our heads down and really find some, and got lucky with a couple bites. New partner this year, not fishing with Alex anymore. He graduated and moved to North Carolina to kind of pursue his life. So I picked up Mason, pretty cool dude coming into college, pretty talented fisherman. He has a good track record, so absolutely enjoyed fishing with him this year too. Have fun, enjoy, and as usual, enjoy the memes.
I'm too deep in this rap gon' feed my kid.
Need the line pulls.
Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
Get her. Let's go, baby. Dude, she's barely hooked.
I love you.
Yeah, me too. You're good. Take your time. Take your time. Here, we'll weigh her real quick. I mean. Yep. Yeah, 330. Okay. Other side. That wasn't too bad. I thought it was too. Or him. It's wild. I'm just muscling a 3-pound smallmouth like that. Yeah. She's like it's no big deal. Stocky.
I love meat sticks.
I'm unsure if I have another cold tag in this one. Another. Left here. That feels heavier. Yep. Freaking first cast on the bed. I did not get a good hook in her. Still got her. Hey, geez, ow. She's mean. 335. Okay. Number 3. I'm back. Dope. It's dope. First cast. Come this way, buddy. Oh no! Come on.
Emotional, damn it!
That. Yeah, or we're gonna have to keep it no matter what. There you go. Should be over 3. 324. Okay. We're gonna put it right on your butt. Yeah, go ahead. Let your children die. Uh huh. Yeah, you come get the Ned rig. I see you coming.
That little Ned is gonna eat all your little babies. All day long.
It'll help a tiny bit. I mean, it's not a big one, but
It's gonna help.
so the Ned rig today, huh? Bedfish are stupid. Hang on. She's hooked right in the corner of the mouth. Not that great. Here you go. She'll help us. Yep. Now we gotta weigh some fish and figure out which one's which in there.
352.
Oh.
I like you.
One has 4? 4, yeah.
So we got 2 over here?
Yeah, I think they're just fish that we saw that we liked.
Okay.
Huh? Yep. Eat, Santa.
Santa, eat, eat.
Could you ate that?
Wow, it's actually got some weight to it.
Oh, that's not bad right there.
It's not awful. I don't know if it's gonna help or not. It's strong though. Got him hooked in the corner of the face. I think it might too. Oh, hang on. Here you go, here you go. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put her on the scale, I don't know, man. Nah, it's gonna be close. She's built though. Scale's under your seat. Should be about the same size, everything friggin' else.
Yep.
She might help a little bit actually.
3, 4, 6.
Helps. Lock it in. I am gonna agree with you. 330 going bye-bye. I wonder if it's the female that's on the bed. That's why she's less active.
I guess it's not really less active at all. Got it.
Literally.
Just a couple casts with the old Ned. Don't know, man. Probably not.
No.
Don't think so. 310.
320.
Okay.
I can help.
My shirt bought a value, no deal or Christian. Y'all talking too much, need to shut up and listen. I sit in the silence with blissful admissions. Y'all giving too much, can't be sending positions. Y'all ain't about the love, y'all be talking on visions. Y'all make a wish, rappers be putting in wishes. That y'all about to pot like the bubble on dishes. It's all about the positive thought and persistence. I'm back in this bitch.
Oh, man, so how'd you do?
I think you did pretty good.
Good?
Damn.
I'm gonna weigh a big one.
Oh yeah, you are. Oh yeah, you are. That big old boy.
Small's a broad term. We're not gonna win. It'll be like 18, 19.
It's gotta be darn close to big though.
That's gonna be close to big. Thank you. Way to big. I got a big in there.
All right, what do we got here? 5, 2, 3. I can run it, so it makes you feel like.
Thank you.
1927.
Top of it.
Oh yeah, frog. Oh,
Sweet.
Please, pictures over by the nitro.
Well, it's a wrap. We ended with 19.27 pounds. Like I said, the weights were stacked. We finished in 9th place with 19 1/4, which is absolutely nuts. First place was only 21 1/2. So, you know, there was another clip where another team was sitting right next to us, and they also caught a 5-pounder right there. So, you know, it's a matter of getting the right fish. You know, had we caught either of the other 2 5-pounders that we were nearby, that was us. So it's relieving to be on the right stuff, but they just got a little bit better bites than we did. Could have been better practice. Could have been they knew what they were looking for. Could have been a couple lucky bites. I'm not complaining though. We ended up taking big bass with a 5.23. It's crazy how much their weight fluctuates from day to day, because we actually caught that fish the day before, and it was a 5.33 the day before. So I mean, 1/10 of a pound is kind of like my scale to somebody else's scale, but somebody else had also caught that fish because I talked with them about it, and they said it was a 5 1/4 when they caught it. So that's how quick they can fluctuate their weight from stress or not eating, or if they do eat, sometimes they can go up 1/10 of a pound. They actually did a misprint of the first place trophy, and they printed off 2 big bass trophies and 1 first place trophy instead of vice versa. So Mason and I both actually ended up getting a big bass plaque to put on our walls. Mine is sitting right over here on the trophy wall. Looks great. It's the biggest plaque up there, but it's been a pretty great season. Huge thank you to a couple of my sponsors for this one. Rising Tides Project. They are an organization, a nonprofit organization that recognizes students with low mental health, and they take them fishing to kind of relieve that stress from them. Also X-Zone Lures. I caught every single one of the fish that I caught throughout this week and almost all of my entire season. I use pretty much strictly X-Zone Lures. And also thank you to Oldsmobile Outdoor Club. They have really stepped up this year in helping me with my entry fees and getting around to some places. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to do stuff like this. I don't come from somewhere where I get, you know, a brand new boat whenever I want one, or everything is paid for. I actually have to really work hard to get here. So having that sponsor help really makes it so I can travel to these places and put in the work to find these fish.
Wow, it's very nice.